The Chevrolet Chevelle remains one of the most respected names in American muscle car history. With its long hood, powerful V8 engines, rear-wheel drive layout, and unmistakable road presence, the Chevelle became a symbol of performance during the golden era of American automobiles. The vehicle shown in these images imagines how the legendary Chevelle could return for 2027. However, it should be understood that this is a digital concept rather than an officially confirmed Chevrolet production model. Starting at the front, this imagined 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle preserves the aggressive personality of the classic model. The car sits low and wide, creating a muscular and confident stance. Its long hood features a raised center section and a prominent cowl-style scoop, suggesting that serious V8 power is hidden underneath. Four circular headlights remain one of the most recognizable design elements. They now appear to use modern LED projectors surrounded by illuminated rings, combining contemporary visibility with classic styling. Between them is a wide black horizontal grille, highlighted by a polished chrome bar and Chevrolet lettering. The chrome bumper has been carefully integrated into a deeper, modern lower fascia. Slim LED running lights, large cooling openings, and a low front splitter make the car look more performance-focused without removing its traditional identity. From the side, the Chevelle displays classic rear-wheel drive proportions. The hood is long, the cabin sits toward the rear, and the roofline flows smoothly into a short rear deck. This creates the elegant fastback profile associated with the most desirable muscle cars of the 1970s. The body remains clean and simple, without excessive vents or complicated lines. Subtle sculpting around the doors and rear quarter panels gives the car a strong, muscular appearance. Chrome window trim, traditional door handles, and compact mirrors maintain its vintage character. Large, polished wire-spoke wheels fill the widened wheel arches. Combined with low-profile tires and lowered suspension, they give the Chevelle a custom resto-mod appearance. The deep black paint and chrome lower body trim add a sense of luxury to the otherwise aggressive design. At the rear, four circular LED taillights mirror the design of the front headlights. Bright red illuminated rings create a distinctive modern signature while remaining faithful to classic American styling. A black rear panel connects the taillights and features widely spaced Chevrolet or Chevelle lettering. Below it, a polished chrome bumper is combined with a modern lower section and two large rectangular exhaust outlets. Wide rear tires and pronounced quarter panels make the car appear planted and powerful. Inside, the cabin blends classic design with modern technology. Black leather bucket seats, horizontal stitching, polished metal accents, and a full center console create a premium but driver-focused atmosphere. The three-spoke steering wheel and circular gauges maintain the vintage appearance, while a digital instrument display and integrated infotainment screen provide modern functionality. Physical climate controls, SS badges, chrome door hardware, and a polished gear selector help preserve the mechanical character of the original Chevelle. Since Chevrolet has not officially announced a 2027 Chevelle, the engine specifications remain hypothetical. A realistic entry-level option would be a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, producing approximately 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. A higher-performance Chevelle SS could use a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, producing around 650 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive, a limited-slip differential, and either a 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic transmission would suit the car perfectly. The standard V8 model could potentially accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, while the supercharged SS could complete the same run in the mid-3-second range. Estimated pricing could begin between $60,000 and $68,000 for the naturally aspirated version. A fully equipped supercharged Chevelle SS could cost between $80,000 and $95,000. A possible unveiling could take place in late 2026, followed by a 2027 market launch. However, both the price and release date remain speculative until Chevrolet makes an official announcement. This concept succeeds because it does not forget the Chevelle's original identity. It combines quad headlights, chrome details, a fastback roofline, and timeless muscle car proportions with modern lighting, technology, and V8 performance.